Okay, now I do have enough fat track. I'm wrapped about that to be able to build 2 tracks. That's that one there complete, the dash for cash, and that will have a turnaround so cars do come back in. So that one is almost done. I just need to obviously build the foundations and get that turnaround happening. And here is the other track, which I do have enough track, as I've just mentioned. So that's the shape of that track. So that'll go up higher there and roll down to there, and down to there. And I'll probably have a turnaround so everything comes back in. But how cool is that? So we've got 2 tracks that is really not taking up any more space and have utilised every bit of fat track. So the next thing is now to mount it, build it, diorama it, and start racing. Give me a couple of weeks on all this, so I'm pretty wrapped. Hey, what do you reckon? Oh, I'm really wrapped about this. I was a little bit sort of down in the dumps thinking, oh, what am I going to do? But here we are, 2 tracks. Fantastic. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you soon.